Okay, finished off at the Friday market. We're just looking around today. Next week, obviously, we've got Friday as well. So we're gonna try and have a look again. We're now headed to a place called Alara Bazaar, which is about 20 minutes walk from our hotel, which I can still see in the distance, which we haven't walked that far. But on the way, I noticed these weird looking cacti. Let's just carry on. Really hot out here. Really loud out here. And yeah, all in all, not having the greatest time. Although I do see an Alara Bazaar sign, which does refill me with hope that we will make it there without dying of dehydration. Seems to be like spikes of a mosque up there or something. And well, we also got this Soho Bazaar. I wouldn't really call that a bazaar, I'd call it more like a shopping mall, because it seems to have like more official brands on it. So we want to have a look at the actual bazaar, which is a bit more cultural in Turkey. I'll see you when we get there. Made it to Alara Bazaar. We're going to try and compare the prices to the Friday market. Speaking of which, seem to be like touristy prices, as they seem to be almost double what I could pay back at home for a coffee. So let's see what it's like here. First thing, it's much cooler in here because it's a lot less stuff here. It's heavenly.
That's because I think they're probably got AC.
Yeah, I think some of them got AC, so happy about that. Sunglasses.
Yeah, you only want coffee, right? You want
Yeah.
regular coffee. Is it wait? That's not the style I wanted.
You want aviator type ones? Those aren't aviator, are they?
No. The ones you're wearing are mine. Oh.
Yeah. How are you meant to get up there?
That's what I was thinking.
It's a very good question. How do you get up there? They must have a hook or something to bring it down.
Hmm?
How do you get to the top?
No, they wouldn't hang it.
They're the ones
Oh,
that...
they've got a hook to do it now.
Yeah. A hook or something.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, they've got more coffee.
Come on.
Left,
No,
right.
just come on.
Okay, so it looks like it's going to be similar to a Friday market where nothing really good. You only get something decent every so often. So I'll tune in with you guys when I actually find something interesting. You don't mind filming?
Okay.
It's okay? Go on YouTube.
Okay. And boat trip.
Yeah? The Alanya boat trip, yeah?
This is boat. Every day 8:10 start.
What time? 8:10.
8:10. Yes, and boat start and 9 o'clock. Boat start 4 o'clock finish. Lunch free. This restaurant.
Okay. Vegetarian lunch?
Hmm?
Vegetarian lunch?
No vegetarian.
No vegetarian?
Spaghetti, salata, and fish.
Okay, so we get no fish.
Okay, spaghetti, salata. Alanya Castle, Ulash Beach, Cleopatra Beach, swimming tank. This is boat. Children years
9 years old.
9 years, half price, 10 euro.
10 euro. And 14.
14 is all price. 0, 5 years free, 6 and 10 years half price later.
Okay. And that's this one, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, and the bus is going from where?
Hotel and camera.
Okay.
Transfer, lunch, drinks, cola, water free. All day 8:10 start and 4 o'clock finish.
Okay.
3 cave visit, 3 times swimming time, Alanya Castle visit.
Yeah, we were looking for something like half day, small one, but that's
Which one was that? Was that the Catamaran one or the other one?
yeah. This is a different one. This is like a pirate tour, yeah.
Oh right, okay.
There was another one with a catamaran type. This one. And paragliding, you have 45.
Yes. It's 30 minutes fly here, Alanya, and 1 1000 meter.
Okay, and that's got the transfer from hotel?
Yes, yes.
Yes?
Every excursion transfer free.
Okay. And we want to take the GoPro, is that okay? Or
Here.
yeah.
No, here not.
No?
Here not.
So are they have
Because here and you pay video.
okay, how much is the video?
Maybe 20 euro, maybe 25 euro.
You can do deal with everything altogether? You can do deal with the video
Discount.
and everything?
Yes, yes. Yeah, this is maybe I call.
And
I
you could
call
do
and
this-
maybe this can maybe here and maybe 9 o'clock, maybe 12 o'clock. Every time, every
Okay.
day.
But if we're doing all four,
4 person,
Yeah.
no 1 person and instructor.
So I'm sure you guys just saw the excursion guide talking to us. Unfortunately, that was literally the only thing that I found somewhat interesting in that bazaar. We didn't explore the entire thing. We got quite tired about halfway through. We're stopping there and heading back to Meccano's hotel. We only really came here for the cash point to grab a bit of lira.
did you?
Well, we.
Oh.
Collective.
So maybe just say my dad actually. Not
I say we, it's actually my dad, because he's the one who earns the money. I just spend it.
Earn some money.
I spend it. That's my job.
What's that do?
Duh. I'm guessing duh means stop.
Yeah, okay. Save a list for that next time.
I mean, I'm not sure if it applies to pedestrians because they're all stopped at the stop sign, so
That's what I'm saying. Maybe it's like a bus stop, Thelma stop.
potentially, yeah.
Oh, are
I'm
those
not sure.
ones?
Sorry?
What I do see is Bacanas.
Wait, what is? Oh yeah.
So that just makes me want to get home.
Sorry. That's really a road.
That's really fun.
If you don't see me before we get there.
So I'm sure you can just see what the route's like. It's literally just walking along this road all the way to the bazaar. It is like, what, early afternoon. It's currently 4:15 actually, so mid-afternoon, late afternoon. So it's still really hot, probably about 40 degrees. So I'm burning up here. Can't wait to get inside some AC and chill out for a little bit. I'll see you guys when I'm doing that. So many strange cacti. Anyone got any ideas of why? I know it's really hot here, but cacti? So I thought they turned up in the desert. Really, is it that water deprived that you had cacti here? Let me know in the comments if you know anything about that. My legs feel like jelly right now because of all the walking I've done. Just want to get home, Meccano's, chill out, have dinner, and call it a day here. Because it's been a very action-packed day.
Has it?
Yes, to me it has. I'm gonna really flop down right when it's time to do some of the other activities we've got lined up.
Buses over there.
Ah yes, more
So
buses.
Maybe all you have to do is just stop somewhere in the middle of the road and flying down the bus.
Somewhere nice and visible so they can see you.
Yeah, in the middle of the road.
Yeah. So you can see here on the map, it's meant to be a 16-minute walk. So me talking about being really lazy and tired after this walk might seem a little bit, well, lazy to you. But one fact that Google Maps doesn't use is the heat, which makes it much more torturous than a leisure stroll. Well anyway, that's it for this episode. It's likely I'll see you back at the hotel in the next video. Bye.